workspace.
So we need to make sure that everything is nice and clean.
Step 2. Find a recipe.
Which one around to do?
We Googled this recipe that has 122 5-star reviews. 2 cups brown sugar packed. 3/4 cup whole milk. 1/2 cup salted butter. 1 cup peanut butter. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 3 cups powdered sugar, sifted to break up clumps.
Unfortunately, we don't have a sifter, so we're just going to have to deal with clumps.
Almost there.
Cecily, how much do you have here? Did you squish it down?
Yes.
And it's packed?
Yes.
Perfect.
And it's there.
All right, I think we're good.
First, we need 1 cup of peanut butter.
Combine the brown sugar, milk, and butter in a medium saucepan over medium-high heat. Cook while stirring frequently until the brown sugar and butter dissolve. And the mixture comes to a boil. Boil for 2 minutes.
Perfect.
There we go.
Combine over what, Finn?
Combine over medium saucepan. That's what it says.
It says medium-high heat, right? Something like that.
No, it says medium-high heat. Yeah.
There's
It's medium
high.
heat.
There's like medium-high. Cook while stirring frequently until brown sugar and butter dissolve.
And it takes.
Wow, this is pretty hard to start.
Remove from heat and stir in the peanut butter and vanilla until smooth and fully combined. Add the powdered sugar to a large heat-safe bowl. Pour the hot peanut butter mixture over the sugar. Mixture, beat them
Somebody's
together
coming!
with a hand mixer until fully combined so that there are no lumps of powdered sugar remaining. Then transfer the fudge to the
It wins!
prepared pan.
Finn is preparing the pan. He's got butter and he's just smearing it all over so that it doesn't stick.
Explosion.
Yep. There we go.
Oopsie.
Keep stirring.
It's getting higher. Dad, it's getting bubbly-er. Dad, it's getting so bubbly.
It says to boil for 2 minutes, so we're gonna boil it for 2 minutes. Yes, we've got it boiling. 2 minutes. All right, it's ready. So now that means we take it off of the heat and add the peanut butter. Yes.
Showing where we put our peanut butter in.
Yep.
Now we have to make the peanut butter dissolve, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is really tricky.
Let's just add music to the stirring part. The stirring part is so far 3 minutes.
Okay, well you can stop the stirring part.
Dad. Now you put your.
And then we need to beat it all together with the mixer. Still looks lumpy.
A ball. In the bowl, I said. Remember?
Ben,
In
can you get me pouring this? Ben, I need
Sure.
I need a spoon. Who has a spoon?
What?
Now we're just gonna let it sit for,
So
I don't know, an hour.
So we just finished and we're gonna try it. Taste
Try
test.
this one. Is it amazing? Does it taste like the inside of a Reese's peanut butter cup?
I knew it. If you enjoyed this content,
Please like and subscribe.
edit out the part that I elbowed.
You guys gonna say bye?